Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a fall lookbook for you guys. I hate how like this sounds. Today we're gonna do this, and today we're gonna do this for you guys. Yeah, well that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. We're doing a fall lookbook. I know it's a little late. Gonna do a winter lookbook too. Pretend like I did this a month ago. Yeah. We're gonna do a fall lookbook. We are not. I'm gonna do a fall lookbook and you're going to watch it and it's going to be fantastic. Bellissimo. I don't know what that means. We're gonna do a fall lookbook. That's what we're gonna do, and I feel like I should have more to say. Really quick before you get started, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. You can do that right down below. Hit the little bell thing and you'll get notified every time I post, which will just be once a week. It's not gonna be annoying, just once a week. And I mean, you don't wanna miss this anyway, so just go ahead and do it. Drop a like too if you like this video. Yeah, and let's get into it. So my first outfit is one that I hinted at in my last video. If you haven't seen that, it was a shopping vlog. I went to H&M on the search for a black turtleneck, and I found, you know, a sort of suitable one. I kind of wanted one that was a little like thicker, a little more like chunkier of a knit, but this one's pretty thin, but it will do for now because I have this little corduroy overall dress from Target, and I thought it would look really cute with the black turtleneck or some sort of turtleneck, but I like the black turtleneck. So that's how I've paired this look together. I did it with my, this bag is also from Target. It's like a cheetah print faux fur shopper bag, which is so cute and I love it. I paired it with my black patent boots from Zara, which are like a winter, I use them in like half these looks. If they're a winter staple. And I was actually just now was thinking maybe I should do a winter staples video. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. I might just do it anyway, but yeah, let me know if you want to see like a winter staples kind of thing, because that black boot would definitely be in there. I also wore that gold necklace, the gold rose necklace, not the rose gold necklace. It's a gold necklace that's shaped like a rose from Urban Outfitters. That was in my Urban Outfitters haul, so if you haven't seen that, go check that out. And I also got those gold star earrings. I'm wearing those as well. So this next look is a pink blazer, a denim skirt, graphic tee, black boots, green bag. That's it. There it is. No, it's the blazer, I believe is from H&M. The skirt is from Target. I actually got it on sale for like $10, and such a cute studded skirt. And then I was wearing it to another Target, not the one that I gotten it from, but a different Target, and the lady who was checking me out was like, I like that skirt. And at first I thought she was like joking with me, like, I know you got that from Target, I work here. But I think she genuinely didn't know, because I was like, oh, I got it at the other Target, and she was like, oh, well, maybe I need to go look in the skirt section. I was like, I thought you knew this was sold here, I got it here. Well, at the other one, but you know, whatever. But yeah, cute little denim skirt with little studs, because it just adds another level of like, it could have just been a basic denim skirt, but because it has that additional, like, it's not a texture, it's embellishment, that's what it's called, like an embellishment to it. It just adds another layer of fun to the outfit that I enjoy. The top is from Forever 21. Like I said, I think in that haul video where I got that top, I like to pair graphic tees with jackets or outerwear that are a little more formal, like a blazer or like a nice winter coat, and so it kind of dresses up your t-shirt and dresses down your formal outerwear. You know, I like that mix of the juxtaposition of casual and more formal. So that's how I've paired those together. And once again with those black patent boots from Zara and this little faux fur bag. I mean, I think I used 3 different faux fur bags in this video. I have many. I have more than 3. Let's just say that. And this one I actually have in black as well, and it will show up in black in this video again, I think too. But I just thought it was really cute little faux fur bag. I got the black one first, and I actually just got this green one because it was on sale at Target. I buy everything on sale at Target, it seems. Yeah, but this green color was just so pretty. I was like, I already have this bag in black, but this green is just such a gorgeous emerald color. And the earrings are from H&M. They're in my haul video as well. So this next outfit is kind of fun and different. I'm still not fully sold on how this like looks on me, just because I think it would have been cooler if the red of my sheer top was darker. I think that's like the thing that's throwing me off, is that it's like doesn't exactly match the darkness of the red of the patent skirt. But actually all of this outfit except for the boots is from Target. The skirt is, the top is, the sheer underneath top is, and that bag is that black bag I was just talking about, and the black boots are from Zara. Yeah, I really like this patent skirt. It's so cute. Really, really love it. And that plaid top is part of the Clueless Coord that I did a video on. So if you haven't seen that, check that out. I will link it below or above or whatever. And yeah, and then I just stuck on, I have this little purple fuzzy scrunchie that I just got from Urban Outfitters that was in the haul video I did. And I just threw that on my wrist as like a little bracelet because I was like, let's add just like a little pop of another color in there, another contrasting color. Yeah, and I like that. Something about it just seems a little off to me, but putting it together like all laid out, I was like, this kind of looks cool. Let's try it. Let's see how it goes. So that's why that's in there. But yeah. So this outfit is another blazer outfit, blazer graphic tee combo. This blazer is actually from Goodwill. I got it in high school as I was Doctor Who for Halloween one year. Yeah, and I got like a blazer pant combo to be the 10th. I haven't watched since high school, honestly, that's why I can't remember. It's the David Tennant. I was David Tennant because he was my favorite. And I actually saw him in a play when I was in London last summer, Don Juan in Soho, and that was awesome to be able to see him on stage. But yeah, that's a sidebar. But yeah, okay, blazer, Goodwill. My top is from Topshop. I also got it in London last summer. The pants are from Target. I think they're actually a little big now because like I said, I'm still losing weight. So they're now like a little big, so they kind of maybe are a little bit unflattering in like the muffin top area. And I definitely needed a belt. Like I can't wear them without a belt, otherwise they start to come down and they just look so baggy in that area. It just looks really weird. They still look a little strange, but they're just from Target, so they're not like expensive jeans. So when I do hopefully lose more weight and grow out of them, it's okay. But they are good because I wanted a good like blue jean, mom jean to style stuff with in the winter. And this is that. I got a little belt from Target, just a simple like black belt. I like that it was a little bit different than like a regular belt, and it has that long tie coming down, which is on vogue nowadays. My shoes are the gold Fila Disruptor 2s. I did an unboxing video. I can like, this is awesome. I can like shout out all my videos in this because I'm wearing all the stuff I did videos about. But yeah, I really love those. And my bag, surprise, it's another faux fur one. This one's from ASOS and I've had this for quite a few years. But yeah, I liked having those little pops of color with the pink and the gold of my shoes to what otherwise is a pretty basic color scheme. And they make the blazer whole outfit of the thing be a nice, that like I've said before, the juxtaposition of casual and formal. I really like that. This outfit is probably my favorite outfit out of my whole bunch of outfits, just purely because of this freaking skirt. Look how cool this is. It is pink, it is metallic, it is from Target, of course. Like, Target, sister sponsor me, get in here girl, let's do it. I have 0 followers, but who cares, give me some money. Because I keep giving you all of my money. It's only fair, right? It's a good trade. Yeah, I think my top is actually from Target too. That's not hashtag confirmed, but I think it is because I've had it for a year or two. That gray turtleneck. And the bag, once again, Target faux fur shopper bag. My shoes are the Fila Disruptor 2, the ones in all white, and with my Fila socks. And I got those both from Urban Outfitters, and that was in my Urban Outfitters haul. I really like this whole combo. My beret is from my best friend. I don't know where it's from. My best friend got it for herself, and I saw it and I was like, oh my god, I love that. And then she ended up gifting it to me for, I think, last Christmas or my birthday. I don't remember, but thanks, Grace. I love it. So cute, so cute. And I like that I was able to tie in the leopard with the leopard in my bag. But this color scheme and this like added a bit of leopard print. This just, I don't know, this is just my favorite outfit. I think it's so cute. I love it. That necklace, that chunky lock necklace, which is the one I'm wearing in my intro and outro actually, is from ASOS from a few years ago as well. And my lipstick, if anyone's wondering, my lipstick is Urban Decay Back Tuck, I think, with a NYX lip liner and I want to say mauve. And my earrings are from H&M. This last outfit, yeah, you can use any sort of sweatshirt to kind of do this. I just grabbed one that I got in Bar Harbor, Maine, when I was on vacation with my family a few years ago. That's, if you've never been, Bar Harbor's gorgeous. Maine is very pretty. I would love to go back. Did some whale watching, some kayaking. I really liked kayaking up there and looking for whales and being on the boat and looking for whales and being near the water and it being all gray and it just looking like Maine and it being a harbor and me getting a sweatshirt. All good things, all fun times, yeah. Yeah, any sort of sweatshirt with like a little mini skirt. I just like that kind of combo, like a big casual chunky with like more tight skirt. I don't know. Yeah, this lavender one is from Target in that haul that I did again. The bag is that black one from Target. The shoes are the Fila Disruptor 2 again with the Fila socks. And this hat I just got recently at Target. I don't have a lot of beanies because that's not like a style of hat I like to wear a lot, but I'm kind of into it now. It depends on how you wear it. If it's too chunky of a knit, I feel like it's not really my style. But this I like, and I like the double palm. And the double palm was a thing either last year or the year before, and I never got one then, and I really liked. I saw this, and this has such interesting contrasting colors in it, like the maroon and the deep blue, and it has some like kind of burnt orange and obviously black, and I just like that color combo. I thought it looked really good. Yeah, so I just threw on the hat on top because I was like, why not? It kind of goes, right? Yeah. And anything you do, if you I like this bag because it kind of dresses up, even though it's like a funky bag, it still kind of dresses up the outfit a little bit. And either way, if you wear like a sweatshirt, if you, put on like a mini skirt underneath it, that kind of dresses it up. And yeah, I just like this outfit a lot. It's cute. Earrings are H&M. Necklace is ASOS. Alright guys, that's my video. Thank you so much. I'm looking right at the monitor and not at the lens. Okay guys, thank you. Okay guys, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like, subscribe. It really honestly helps me if you like it. If you like this, tell your friends. Like, I'm not trying to like make you do work for me, but I like also am just like a little bit, because it really does help me to grow by word of mouth. If you've got a buddy who would like this kind of stuff, who would think I'm interesting and entertaining, you let them know and we can all be friends and it'll be great. Okay, but yeah, yeah, I'll do a winter lookbook too, probably in like a month-ish, I'm not sure, with more, like even more cold weather stuff, because I know that was a lot of skirts, so we'll do more pants, more like coats, because I have a bunch of faux fur coats because I love faux fur so much. But yeah, we'll do that later, but so stay on the lookout for that. And yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.